Who was the first person to discover our solar system? No single person discovered our solar system, but several key figures made important contributions to our understanding of it. Here's a simple explanation. Ancient observers. Ancient civilizations like the Babylonians, Greeks, and Romans observed the sun, moon, and planets that are visible to the naked eye: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. They didn't understand the solar system as we do today, but they knew these objects moved differently from the stars. Nicolaus Copernicus, 1473 to 1543. He proposed the heliocentric model, which means he suggested that the sun is at the center of the solar system, not the Earth. This was a revolutionary idea because people had believed in the Earth-centered geocentric model for centuries. Galileo Galilei, 1564 to 1642. Using one of the first telescopes, he observed moons orbiting Jupiter and phases of Venus, providing strong evidence for the heliocentric model. His discoveries supported Copernicus's ideas. Johannes Kepler, 1571 to 1630. He formulated the laws of planetary motion, which described the orbits of planets around the sun. His work showed that planets move in elliptical orbits, not perfect circles. Isaac Newton, 1643 to 1727. He developed the law of universal gravitation, which explained why planets orbit the sun. His work helped to solidify the understanding of the solar system's structure